Welcome to Omasae, and thank you so much for being here today. In this video, we're going to explore something truly special, 10 DIY dry branch ideas that make any small space stand out. Now, at first, dry branches might seem ordinary, maybe even something you'd simply overlook while walking through a park or garden. But when we take a closer look, they're full of character. Each branch has a unique curve, a texture shaped by nature. And a presence that can add both warmth and sophistication to your home. Whether you're aiming for rustic coziness, clean minimalist charm, or simply want a touch of nature indoors, these ideas will help you discover creative ways to style branches into stunning decor pieces. What's even better is that all of these projects are budget-friendly, simple to make, and tailored for small spaces, so you don't need a big house to bring big beauty into your environment. Before we dive in, I'd love to invite you to subscribe to Omasae if you haven't already. By hitting that subscribe button and giving this video a thumbs up, you help us share even more creative, inspiring ideas with you. And of course, don't forget to leave a comment telling us which project speaks to you the most. With that said, let's step into this journey of transforming something simple into something truly extraordinary. When we think of home decor, we often imagine expensive furniture, stylish accessories, or large design makeovers. But sometimes, the most captivating details come from the simplest elements. Dry branches, with their natural shapes and raw textures, carry a quiet elegance. They reflect the beauty of the outdoors. And when placed indoors, they bring harmony, calmness, and even a sense of timeless design. In this video, we'll be exploring creative ways to integrate branches into your home, centerpieces that tell a rustic story, candle holders that radiate warmth, and even whimsical arrangements with fairy lights that add pure magic. Each of these ideas is chosen not only for its beauty, but also for its practicality. They're lightweight, easy to assemble, and perfectly suited for those corners or walls that often feel forgotten. The magic of this journey lies in reimagining what we see outdoors, branches that may have fallen naturally, twigs that carry the memory of a season gone by, and turning them into art that transforms your living space. These creations bring balance, they spark conversation, and most importantly, they make a small space feel complete. So as we walk through these 10 beautiful ideas together, take your time to notice the details. Imagine how they could fit into your space, and let your creativity flow. Picture frames hold memories, but with a touch of dry branches, they also hold nature's charm. Wrapping or gluing small twigs along the border of a frame transforms it into a rustic, handcrafted piece that instantly catches attention. Each twig, with its unique texture and grain, adds depth and character, making the frame feel organic and personal. This idea works beautifully for family photos, artwork, or even mirrors. For a cozy, woodsy look, keep the branches natural. For a more modern approach, spray paint them in sleek shades like black, white, or metallic tones. Adding elements like moss, dried flowers, or acorns can make the frame even more distinctive. Not only is this DIY affordable, it also creates something meaningful. A store-bought frame may look polished, but a branch-adorned frame tells a story. It connects the captured memory inside the frame with the natural beauty that surrounds us. Each time you look at it, you're reminded of the creativity and care that went into making it. Nature-inspired frames are timeless. They never go out of style. They highlight what matters most: family, friends, and moments worth cherishing. It's an easy way to bring nature indoors while adding artistry and warmth to your home. There's something magical about candlelight, and when combined with branches, it creates a rustic elegance that feels timeless. To craft your own branch candle holders, you can wrap twigs around glass jars, tie them with twine, and place tea lights inside. As the candles flicker, shadows dance along the textured wood, filling your room with a warm and intimate glow. It's like bringing a piece of a cozy woodland evening into your home. You can also use sturdier branches as stands for pillar candles. By carefully cutting and leveling a thick branch, you create a stable base that's both functional and decorative. Adding finishes like lace, ribbon, or metallic spray paint turns the holder into a versatile piece, perfect for holidays, dinners, or even quiet evenings alone. The natural grains and imperfections in the wood add character, making every holder unique. These candle holders work beautifully on dining tables, mantels, or nightstands. They bring relaxation, comfort, and a soft touch of nature wherever they're placed. And beyond aesthetics, there's something deeply grounding about using branches, materials that have weathered seasons and time, to support the gentle light of a flame. Together, they create an ambience that feels both sacred and inviting, an atmosphere that lingers long after the candles have gone out. Nothing sets the stage for warmth like a rustic table centerpiece. Imagine placing a handful of dry branches across a simple runner, anchoring them with candles or pine cones to add texture and depth. The beauty of this design is how naturally it blends with any table, whether it's for daily meals or a special gathering. The branches provide height, shadow, and structure, while the added elements bring color and contrast. This idea is incredibly versatile. For autumn, you could scatter dried leaves and miniature pumpkins. In winter, add holly, berries, or sparkling ornaments for a festive touch. Come spring, fresh flowers intertwined with the branches breathe new life into the arrangement. You can even spray paint branches in metallic tones like gold or silver if you want a more polished look. Centerpieces like this do more than decorate, they set a mood. They invite people to gather, to sit longer at the table, and to enjoy the ambience created by something so simple. It's also eco-friendly, as you're reusing natural materials instead of buying plastic decorations. Every branch carries its own story, and together, they create an atmosphere of warmth, comfort, and timeless charm. Minimalist wall art is perfect for small spaces, and twigs are the ideal medium for creating something both striking and subtle. With just a handful of straight branches, you can design geometric patterns, delicate outlines, or abstract art. Mount them on a canvas, frame, or directly onto a blank wall to create a clean and natural aesthetic. The neutral tones of the twigs complement white or muted wall colors, allowing the texture to stand out beautifully. What makes this idea so appealing is its flexibility. You can keep it simple, perhaps a single square or triangle made of branches. Or you could layer them into intricate designs, weaving string or dried flowers between them for added detail. This style of wall art doesn't overwhelm the room. It enhances it quietly, making it perfect for bedrooms, reading nooks, or entryways where calmness is essential. This DIY project is also wonderfully affordable. Instead of purchasing expensive framed art, you're creating something unique, personal, and environmentally friendly. It's not about perfection. The slight bends and rough textures of the twigs are what make the design authentic and charming. With a minimalist twig wall piece, your home gets an accent that is simple yet powerful, a piece of art that speaks softly but leaves a lasting impression. Corners are often overlooked in home design, but with the right touch, they can become some of the most dramatic focal points in a room. A tall floor vase filled with dry branches adds instant sophistication without taking up much space. Whether the branches are left raw for an earthy feel or painted white, black, or metallic for a bold statement, they give corners a purpose. This arrangement works beautifully in entryways, living rooms, or bedrooms, anywhere a blank corner needs life. Adding small details, like fairy lights woven through the branches, artificial blossoms for softness, or hanging ornaments for a seasonal touch, enhances the look. What's wonderful is how adaptable this design is. In autumn, you might accent it with orange leaves. In winter, perhaps snow-dusted pine cones. Come spring, delicate flowers breathe color into the arrangement. This simple setup instantly elevates a small room, drawing the eye upward and making the space feel taller. The branches add natural geometry, while the vase grounds the design with balance and style. It's a project that's quick to assemble, endlessly versatile, and stunning in its effect. Wreaths bring a sense of welcome, and when made from branches, they can be displayed anywhere inside your home. Start by bending pliable twigs into a circular shape, weaving them together to form a sturdy base. Once you have the foundation, you can decorate it with seasonal elements that reflect the time of year. In spring, add blossoms and pastel ribbons. In summer, bright flowers and seashells. For autumn, dried leaves and miniature pumpkins bring warmth. And in winter, pine cones, berries, and a touch of sparkle make it festive. This flexibility means you can keep the same wreath base all year long, refreshing it with new accents whenever you like. Hang a branch wreath above a mantle, in a hallway, or even on an interior door. It instantly softens the space, making it feel inviting and alive. The natural curves of the branches ensure that no two wreaths look alike, giving each one its own personality and story. A seasonal wreath is more than just decoration. It's a reminder of nature's cycles, a celebration of each passing season, and a handcrafted touch that fills your space with warmth. In small rooms, it provides just the right amount of charm without overwhelming the walls. Thank you for spending this time with us here at Omasae, exploring 10 DIY dry branch ideas that make any small space stand out. From rustic centerpieces to elegant candle holders, from minimalist wall art to whimsical fairy lights, we've seen just how versatile and inspiring dry branches can be. They remind us that sometimes the most extraordinary decor is born from the simplest, most natural materials. We hope these ideas spark your imagination and encourage you to bring a little more nature into your home. Whether you're looking to create warmth, add sophistication, or simply make a small space feel more inviting, branches offer endless possibilities. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe to Omasae for more creative inspiration. Give this video a like if it brought you value, and leave us a comment sharing which project was your favorite, or how you've used branches in your own home decor. Your ideas and feedback inspire us, and together, we can keep creating spaces that truly shine. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and keep letting the beauty of nature make your small space stand out.